All right, today I'm taking a look at the AROEVE Air Purifier. We do have an instruction manual, so that's good. And we have what looks like a fairly long cord, so that's good. There's some tape here holding what I believe is the filter in. Okay. Cool. So we actually have a rectangular filter, which is not normal. Most of these air purifiers have those round filters. I do like seeing this. So this is multi-stage. You can see that we have the black charcoal filter on the front, and we have that dust filter element on the back. We do have this soft material all the way around, so that's going to help to make a seal. And we have this pull string on the front, so when we need to, we can pull that thing out. It does tell you exactly how to insert this. And there's instructions right here on the side, so even if you lose a manual, you can still use this. All right, cool. All right, so on the top, we got our menu. This ring does light up around the outside, so that's kind of cool. We also have a UV light in here, so that's really good. So if you're worried about bacteria or anything like that, we can turn that on. Not all air filters come with that, so that's excellent. So the fact you can actually kill the bacteria with the air purifier is fantastic. We can turn the display off, so if we don't want that light on, so if we're trying to sleep or something like that at night, turn that on or off. It also turns on all these little lights. That's cool. So we've got fan speed of 1, 2, and that is definitely pushing some air, or auto. If we put that in sleep, so it is still running, but it's really, really quiet. So if you're trying to sleep at night, but you still want to have some nice clean air coming in, you can do that, and you don't have to worry about that fan noise. We also have our timer, so you can do 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. So if you want to, you can set this to 8 hours, and then 8 hours later, you don't even have to worry about it. You just wake up, go to work, and this thing will shut off on its own. So it's really nice having that. Yeah, that is putting out some really nice smelling air too, so that's great. I find these things are great for just like clearing dust out of a room, but they're also great for just making the air cleaner inside your bedroom. That's where I always use this, is in my bedroom. We get better quality sleep just by having an air purifier in there. And the other thing is this thing just looks nice. This is a good looking unit. So I am very happy to have that. And it is worth mentioning that the ring here, it kind of looks purple in the video. It's actually blue to the eye, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, overall, it's a very nice air purifier.